everyone, I'm That Beauty Counter Girl, and today I'm going to be doing a look for you guys using the new Romantic palette. This gorgeous pinks and purples toned palette is perfect for everyday use and also more dramatic looks. So I've already put on my foundation and I put a Mattify powder over that to seal it, and I contoured my face. To start off, I'm going to be first using the color Cameo. I'm using the Beauty Counter double-ended brush, the fluffy side, from the Ultimate Nudes palette. And I'm just taking that color Cameo and I'm just blending it all over my lid. Just starting to lighten up the lid a little bit. Next, I'm taking the color Brulee and swiping it back and forth just in my crease. This is a really great base color and works really nicely to start warming up the crease. Next, I'm taking the color Truffle and again just putting that right over where we just did Brulee. Just adding a little bit of brown to your crease. This look includes a lot of layering colors. Next, I'm taking the color Dusk and swiping that across the middle of my lid. This is going to act as our base color and also blends the Brulee and Truffle colors really well together. Now I'm using the angled side of the brush and I'm going in with that darker color Smolder. Make a V on your outer lid and blend that up through the crease as well. Start off just using a little bit of color and then you can continue to build it if you're looking for a darker, more dramatic look. Really make sure to blend this darker color in. Once you finish blending with just that little bit of color still on the brush, just go ahead and swipe that underneath your eye as well. Now we're going to go back in with Cameo and we're going to apply this directly under the eyebrows. I like to lift my eyebrows for this part. Applying the lighter color directly under just contrasts really nicely and brightens up your eye a little bit. Also take that same color and just blend it into your inner corner. Now we're taking the color Flush and again just brushing that in the inner corner and blending that in. And this just continues to brighten up the eye a little bit in the corner. Now for the fun part, we're going to go in with that color Moon Dust, and I would recommend just washing off your brush or using a new brush entirely so that the darker colors don't transfer onto that lighter color. This color sticks best when you avoid swiping it and you mainly just dab it onto your eye. So you're going to be dabbing it on the inner corners and then also just across a little bit of the lid. We want to keep the inner corners lighter and the outer corners darker. Now I'm using the Beauty Counter liquid liner and lining my eyes. You could also use a brown liner or just a black liner if you don't have the liquid liner. Now I'm just taking a purple liner and lining under my eyes. Once you're done, just use your finger to blend it in. Now I'm using the medium shade eyebrow pencil and just filling in my eyebrows. Next I'm using the Volumizing Mascara from Beauty Counter, which is my favorite, and lining the tops and bottom lashes. I find the best way to apply is to wiggle it at the base and then move straight up. And now I'm just finishing this look off with one of Beauty Counter's light pink glosses. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to purchase any of the products I used today, they are listed in the description below. Stay tuned because I'll also be coming out with 2 more looks using this Romantic palette. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, my baby's up, so I gotta go. Bye. Oh, that was bad. It's fine. It smells fair. Here we go. Get ready. Eye number 2. I can do this. It will match. Okay. Regroup. Oh, scene in perfection. No. Dang it, I just made it worse. Oh no. Why is the second eye always so much harder? Okay, wait, getting better maybe? Okay, we're just gonna stick with that. Close enough. Alright, yay! Dun, 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 dun. Why am I still sitting here? I don't know.